Hey there, space fans! Ever looked up at the night sky and wondered about the secrets of the moon? Well, buckle up, because today we're diving into the mysteries of our closest celestial neighbor. First off, did you know the moon is a quarter of Earth's diameter? That's huge compared to most moons out there, but when you see it low on the horizon looking massive, that's just an illusion. It's actually about the size of a small pill held at arm's length. Now, let's talk structure. The moon has a solid iron inner core, a liquid outer core, a thick mantle, and a lighter crust. Sound familiar? Yep, it's very similar to Earth, just smaller and cooler. On the surface, the near side is split between heavily cratered highlands and smoother, darker maria, or seas. The highlands are ancient, over 4 billion years old, while the maria are younger, around 3 to 3.5 billion years. On the far side, things get even more interesting with a thicker crust and almost no maria. How did the moon form? The leading theory is the giant impact hypothesis. Imagine, about 4.5 billion years ago, a Mars-sized object named Theia collided with Earth. The debris from this colossal impact eventually coalesced to form the moon. This explains the mix of Earth and Theia materials found in moon rocks. After its formation, the moon experienced the late heavy bombardment, a period of intense cometary impacts. These created most of the highland craters, and later, lava filled some of them, forming the maria. Oh, and here's a cool fact. There's water ice in permanently shadowed craters near the lunar poles, potentially over 1 billion tons. This could be a game changer for future lunar colonization. Speaking of the future, countries like the US, China, and India have big plans for lunar missions. So, the next person to step foot on the moon might already be alive today. Exciting times ahead. That's it for today, folks. If you enjoyed this lunar deep dive, hit that like button and subscribe for more cosmic content. Until next time, keep looking up.